Have you ever said yes to something and immediately regretted it?
She's talking about me. Stick around to learn the expression, bite off more than you can chew.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Sophia, I think I bit off more than I can chew.
What does that mean?
It means I took on more than I can handle.
What did you do?
I said yes to hosting a birthday party for 80 people.
80 people here?
Here.
Daniel, this cafe has maybe 30 chairs.
I know.
Very, very small.
Sophia, I know.
Okay, tell me everything.
His name is Tom. He comes here every morning. He asked if I could host his wife's birthday party. I said yes before I even thought about it.
Why?
He looked so excited. It felt wrong to say no.
And how many people?
He said a few friends. I said, great. Then he sent me the guest list.
And?
83 people.
Oh no!
Yeah, classic example of biting off more than you can chew.
So you can use that expression in other situations too.
All the time, like, imagine you sign up for 5 classes at the same time. Work, study, gym, cooking class, Spanish lessons.
That sounds like a lot.
Too much. That is biting off more than you can chew. You take on so much that you cannot do any of it well.
I see. It is not just about saying yes. It is about taking on more than you can actually handle.
Exactly. The problem is not wanting to do things. The problem is not stopping to think, can I actually do this?
And you did not stop to think.
I did not stop to think.
When is the party?
Saturday.
Daniel, today is Thursday.
Yes, I am aware. Thank you.
Do you have a plan?
I have a list.
What is on the list?
Figure it out.
That is the whole list?
It is a starting point.
Hey, have you ever said yes to something and then thought, oh no, that was way too much? Maybe a project at work, a trip, a promise to a friend? Tell us in the comments, in English. We really want to know. You know, I did this once. I said yes to helping 3 different friends move. Same weekend.
3 friends, same weekend.
I thought, how hard can it be?
And?
Very hard. It was very hard. I was so tired, I could not even talk by Sunday.
That is a perfect example of biting off more than you can chew.
I learned my lesson. Now I always ask first, how big is this? How long will it take?
That is smart. I should do that.
You should, but you did not. And now you have 83 people coming on Saturday.
83 people coming on Saturday.
You will be okay.
I hope so.
I will help you.
Really?
Yes, but next time, ask me first.
Deal. So, today's expression, bite off more than you can chew. It means to take on more than you can handle.
Have you ever bitten off more than you could chew? Leave a comment in English and tell us your story.
If you are new here, subscribe. New episodes every week.
And next time, someone has a very hard time making a decision. A very, very simple decision.
Are you talking about me?
See you next time.
See you next time.
Learn a little